Hi guys. Hey, today's fall maintenance tip is a twofer. One is be sure to change the batteries in your smoke detectors and your carbon monoxide detectors. Now I know I'm a little bit early. We don't usually do that until we switch the clocks back. But if you're like me and you use a lot of batteries in the spring and the summer, you might have to get more. So you want to check and make sure what your smoke detectors and CO2 detectors take. Is it AA, AAA, or 9 volt? You want to make sure that you have them on hand. Quick thing to do is just go around and count the amount of detectors that you have, check what type of batteries they are, and then you're in good shape. The other thing is, if you have a fireplace, now's the time to have the fireplace chimney cleaned. You want to make sure that the chimney is inspected and cleaned, and make sure also on your heater, if you have, like me, I have an oil heater, you want to make sure that the flue's checked and that you have your maintenance done before the heating season. That way you don't have any surprises. You wake up cold one morning because the heater's not working. Hey, if you guys got questions about anything, don't be afraid to reach out. I'm here to help. Talk to you soon.